Struggling to find Odoo's export button? Export your products in under 2 minutes. Follow these 10 straightforward steps to navigate your way from the dashboard to a successful product export. No fluff, just the exact clicks you need. You'll start by navigating to the home page of your Odoo instance. That's the starting point for everything. Then click on Sales to open the Sales module and see the relevant menu. Now click on Products in the top bar to move into the Product area. You'll see another Products option. Click that to access the full product list. Next, change the view into List so you get a clean row-by-row overview of your products. Then click the checkbox next to the product you want to export. That'll select it. Once your product is selected, click on Actions at the top bar to see more options. Click Export from that menu to open the export interface. In the dialog, choose your export format. Pick whichever you need for your data. Finally, click the Export button to grab your file, and you're all done. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.